Custom Sneakerhead clock, I'll show you how to make it in less than a minute. First, get a clock. Make sure the clock is smaller than the box or it will not fit. Unscrew the clock carefully. Take apart the arms and make sure that you don't break or lose anything. Use the glass as a guide for tracing, or you can always use your compass. Cut out the face of the clock using either scissors or an Xacto knife. Measure out the numbers for the clock. Mark them using little strips of vinyl. Find the center and glue your Nike logo to the very center. Put everything back together and place on your wall. But wait, there's more. I'll show you everything that you need to make your own clock. Obviously, you need a clock and your shoebox, your choice of shoebox. A screwdriver, probably a Phillips screwdriver, compass, scissors, Xacto knife if you don't really want to use the scissors, paint or vinyl, however I recommend vinyl, glue, and a ruler. Total cost comes to about 10 doll hairs. Huge thank you to Dart Tran for allowing me to share and modify his work. His custom work is epic. His Instagram is linked in the description. But what do you think? Love it or lame? Honest opinions are welcome. Thanks for watching and happy creating.